5 common cooking mistakes that can lead to diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. In today's world, unhealthy lifestyle and wrong food habits are leading to a rapid rise in serious health problems like diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. Often, we make some common mistakes while cooking, which slowly damage our health. In this video, we'll talk about 5 major cooking mistakes that may lead to these diseases and how to fix them with the right habits. First mistake: reusing cooking oil again and again. The mistake: in many households, the same cooking oil is reused multiple times. This oil becomes oxidized and forms trans fats, which can cause heart diseases, diabetes, and even cancer. How it affects health: reused oil produces free radicals that damage body cells. Trans fats increase bad cholesterol and clog the arteries. It also leads to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of diabetes. Healthy alternative: use mustard oil, coconut oil, ghee, or olive oil for cooking. Avoid reheating or reusing oil multiple times. Choose roasted, boiled, or grilled foods instead of deep-fried items. Second mistake: excessive use of aluminum cookware. The mistake: nowadays, most people use aluminum utensils for cooking, which can be harmful to health in the long run. How it affects health: when aluminum is heated, it can leach into the food. It can harm the brain and lead to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. High exposure is also linked to cancer and heart diseases. Healthy alternative: use stainless steel, clay, glass, or iron cookware instead. If using aluminum, avoid cooking acidic foods in it. Third mistake: overcooking or burning food. The mistake: for taste and crispiness, many people overcook or burn food, which destroys the nutritional value of the food. How it affects health: burnt or heavily fried food forms acrylamide, which increases cancer risk. High heat destroys essential vitamins and minerals. It can negatively affect your digestive system. Healthy alternative: cook food on medium flame and avoid overfrying or burning. Prefer boiled or roasted food. Avoid deep frying and try grilling or steaming instead. Fourth mistake: excess consumption of packaged and processed foods. The mistake: these days, people consume a lot of packaged and processed foods like noodles, chips, sausages, cold drinks, and instant meals, which are harmful. How it affects health: these contain preservatives, chemicals, and high sodium, leading to high blood pressure, heart diseases, and cancer. They are loaded with added sugars and trans fats, which cause obesity and diabetes. They also damage the liver and kidneys. Healthy alternative: eat fresh fruits, vegetables, and home-cooked meals. Choose fiber-rich foods over processed snacks. Go for healthy homemade snacks like roasted chickpeas, peanuts, or fresh fruits. Fifth mistake: excessive use of salt and sugar in food. The mistake: to enhance taste, many people use too much salt and sugar, which leads to major health issues. How it affects health: too much salt increases blood pressure, raising the risk of heart attack and stroke. Too much sugar leads to insulin resistance, causing diabetes and obesity. Refined sugar can also cause fatty liver and cancer. Healthy alternative: use rock salt or black salt instead of white salt. Replace sugar with honey, jaggery, or stevia. Avoid adding too much sugar to tea, coffee, or other drinks. By choosing the right cooking methods and avoiding these 5 common mistakes, we can protect ourselves from diabetes, cancer, and heart diseases. Focus on a balanced diet, fresh food, healthy cookware, and natural ingredients, because food is our first medicine. If you found this information useful, please like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips.